بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Students, have a look on board. Look at Arabic number 1. For 1, the Roman number is I. For 5, the Roman number is V. For 10, the Roman number is X. This Roman number 1 creates 2 and then 3 and other numbers. This basic number 5 create 4, then 6, then 7, 8 and other numbers. This is the basic number 10. It create 10, 11, 12, 13 and other numbers. Students, remember that there is no concept of 0 in Roman numbers. Arabic number starts from 0, but there is no any concept of 0 in Roman numbers. Now have a look at book. Look at part A. Look at 1. For 1, the Roman symbol is I. This is Roman 1. Look at B part. Put two I's together to make Roman 2. This is Roman 2. Now come to C. Put 3 I's together to make Roman 3. Look at Roman 3. Look part D. Put an I before V to make Roman 4. Part E. Look at 5. This is Roman 5. Put part F. Put an I after V to make Roman 6. That is Roman 6. Part G. Put 2 I's after V to make Roman 7. That is Roman 7. Put 2 I's after 7. Look at part H. Put 3 I's after V to make Roman 8. 9. Put an I before X to make Roman 9. Put an I before X to make Roman 9. Part G. This is Roman 10. Just X is Roman 10. Now student, to construct other Roman numbers from I, V and X, here is some information for you. Now read and listen me. Putting a small number before a large number means subtraction from a large number. For example, 4. If we write 4, the rule is to subtract 1 from 5, which will become 4, which is equal to 4. Put smaller number before a greater number, then it will subtract. Like this, look. For 4, we are subtracting 1 from 5 Roman number, which is equal to 5 minus 1 and which is equal to 4. Now look another information. Putting a smaller number after a larger number means addition to larger number. For example, look here, VI means 6. We are adding one number with 5 number. V mean 5. I mean 1. So we are adding them. 5 plus 1 which is equal to 6. V1 is called 6. Now students, have a look on board. Look, Arabic numbers and Roman numbers. For 0, there is no Roman number. For 1, here is just one I. For 2, 2 I's. For 3, 3 I's. For 4, 1 V. For 5, just V. For 5 is just V. For 6 is V1. For 7 is V2. For 8 is V3. For 9 is 1X. For 10 is just X. Okay students, remember that when smaller number comes before larger number, so you will subtract. Look to 4. 1 is smaller number and 5 is larger number. 1 comes before 5. That is why the subtraction rule will apply. So 5 minus 1. 1 will subtract from 5 and it will equal to 4. It is equal to 4. Look at 6. When smaller number comes after larger number, so the addition rule will apply. Look at 5 plus 1. 1 means 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Same as 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. And here is smaller number before 10 means subtraction. So we will apply subtraction rule here. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Now students, example 1, example 2 on page 6. Look at example 1, part A, 4. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. It means 1 less than 5. 1 comes before larger number, that is why subtraction rule is applied here. Look at B part. 5, 1. 1 comes after larger number. Therefore, 5 plus 1 addition rule is applied here. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. It means 1 more than 5. Look at part C. 5 plus 2 means 7. It means 2 more than 5. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. It means 3 more than 5. 1 x means 9. 1 is smaller number and 10 is larger number. Smaller number comes before larger number here. That is why its mean 1 less than 10, which is equal to 9. Now come to example 2. A part, 10 plus 1 means 11. It means 1 more than 10. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. It means 2 more than 10. 10 plus 3 means 13. It means 3 more than 10. 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. It means 4 more than 10. E part, 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. It means 5 more than 10. F number, 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. It means 6 more than 10. 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. It means 7 more than 10. 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. It means 8 more than 10. 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. It means 9 more than 10. 2 times 10 is equal to 20. Put two x together to make Roman 20. Look down to the Arabic numbers, Roman numbers and their spellings. And these are small Roman numbers. Look here to Arabic one, Roman one, Roman one in small letters and its spelling is OME1. Same like this. Look at 2, TWO2. Look at 3, THREE3, 4, 5 and 6. Look to 8. Its spelling is EIJHT, 9, 10. These are our words of numbers. You will learn these spellings, small Roman numbers and their spellings. This is your homework.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.